Kentucky House voted to impeach Fayette Circuit Judge Julie Goodman.
The vote this morning was 73 to 14. Yesterday, a House committee advanced 5 articles of impeachment against Goodman. She's accused of abusing her office in a way that some say undermines public trust in the judicial process. 6 cases are cited in the articles of impeachment, including one that involves a fatal hit and run. Impeachment proceedings now go to the Kentucky Senate for a trial.
Shannon Gilday returned to court this morning for another pretrial hearing. It's been more than 4 years since he was arrested and charged in the murder of Shannon Morgan in Madison County.
We've been following this story for quite some time now. Among the many motions that were ruled on today included a decision on the use of capital punishment should a jury convict. LAX 18's Michael Burke has more from Richmond Circuit Court.
Defense counsel was non-committal, but it does seem as if the trial of Shannon Gilday will finally begin on May 1st. Shannon Gilday returned to court for what is likely the final pretrial hearing before jury selection begins on May 1st. Judge Cole Adams Mayer denied motions from the defense to exclude the death penalty and the findings of a mental health professional. Several other housekeeping issues were addressed as well, pertaining to jury selection and the presence of family members in court who may also be called as witnesses for the Commonwealth. It's been nearly 4 years since Gilday was charged with killing Shannon Morgan inside the Madison County home of her father, former state representative C. Wesley Morgan.
You got to remember what happened here. He breaks into our house during the middle of the night. He waits till 3:30 a.m. in the morning so everybody's asleep so he can get the drop on us. Then he shoots my daughter 11 plus times, kills her.
The Morgans are incredibly frustrated with the length of this process, and they agree with the judge's ruling, allowing the Commonwealth to pursue the death penalty. They personally don't feel Gilday has an insanity defense.
He didn't come down there just one time. He made repetitive trips to our house and scoped it out. And, you know, a person who's insane doesn't do that.
Mr. Morgan also said that he and Jordan's mother are in complete agreement. They want a jury trial with a verdict. They will not accept a plea deal, and they think some of the stall tactics are simply made to wear the prosecution down into accepting a plea at some point. In Madison County, Michael Burke, LAX 18 News.